Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today we're diving into a key aspect of Windows 10. It's all about how to use notifications and Action Center. Notifications are like friendly taps on your digital shoulder, letting you know about emails, messages, and more. They appear in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can click on them to stay updated. But wait, there's more! The Action Center is your digital command center. Just click the message bubble icon in the taskbar, and you'll find all your notifications neatly organized. It's like having your own personal assistant keeping you in the loop. To take action, simply click on a notification. For instance, if you get an email notification, clicking it opens your email app. It's like magic. Everything you need right at your fingertips. And that's it. You've learned how to use notifications and the Action Center in Windows 10. Stay informed and stay in control with these handy features. Thanks for joining me in this informative tutorial. I hope you're feeling more confident in managing notifications and using the Action Center to streamline your Windows 10 experience. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use notifications and Action Center. See you on my next video.